What's happening, world? This is the one and only Sashin Governor hanging out in my brand new home, one of the president's homes that I just bought recently. 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 7 lounges, ridiculous, a gym, and it's just crazy, but we worked extremely hard. And you're probably sitting and saying, Sashin, what do you do for the community? Well, very simple. We bless it for, we feed, educate, and clothe over 1,000 children per month. Besides me hanging out in my home and living a dream life, I'm looking for the right type of people to mentor and coach. In fact, I'm looking for 10 people to mentor from now till 2019, and you gotta have desire, you gotta have an unbelievable work ethic. We can help you change your life. There's no such thing as get rich quick, there's get rich possible. If you work smart, you can definitely live the dream life. Click below, send me a private DM. I want to keep in contact with you. I want to mentor you and coach you and help you win big in life.
Here we come.